Welcome to today's English Phrases, an online English channel.
Di udara.
In the air. In the air.
Berapa harga tiket pesawat ke London?
What is the airfare to London? What is the airfare to London?
Sejalan atau pulang pergi?
Single or return? Single or return?
Tiket kelas 1 atau ekonomi?
First class or economy? First class or economy?
Berapa harga tiket pulang pergi ke Berlin?
What is the return fare to Berlin? What is the return fare to Berlin?
Berapa harga tiket penerbangan sejalan ke Paris?
How much is a single flight to Paris? How much is a single flight to Paris?
Adakah penerbangan ke Sydney?
Is there any service to Sydney? Is there any service to Sydney?
Adakah penerbangan ke Jakarta?
Are there any flights to Jakarta? Are there any flights to Jakarta?
Apakah ada pesawat ke New York hari ini?
Is there a plane for New York today? Is there a plane for New York today?
Jam berapakah?
At what time? At what time?
Apakah Anda sudah memesan tempat?
Have you got a seat on it? Have you got a seat on it?
Masih ada tempat?
Are there any seats left? Are there any seats left?
Masih ada tempat pada penerbangan Anda ke London?
Have you got any seats on your flight to London? Have you got any seats on your flight to London?
Untuk berapa orang?
For how many persons? For how many persons?
Tidak ada tempat lagi.
We are fully booked. We are fully booked.
Apakah kira-kira ada pembatalan?
Are there likely to be any cancellations? Are there likely to be any cancellations?
Bisakah Anda masukkan saya dalam daftar cadangan?
Can you put me on the waiting list? Can you put me on the waiting list?
Kapan pesawat berikutnya berangkat ke Dubai?
When does the next plane leave for Dubai? When does the next plane leave for Dubai?
Bisakah saya pesan tempat pada penerbangan ke Madrid?
Can I book a seat on the flight to Madrid? Can I book a seat on the flight to Madrid?
Berapa lama masa berlaku tiket ini?
How long is the ticket valid for? How long is the ticket valid for?
Apakah ada tempat pada penerbangan yang lain?
Are there any seats on other flights? Are there any seats on other flights?
Adakah penerbangan charter ke Bali?
Are there any chartered flight to Bali? Are there any chartered flight to Bali?
Apakah ada bis yang pergi ke bandara?
Do you have a bus going to the airport? Do you have a bus going to the airport?
Apakah ada bis bandara?
Is there an airport bus? Is there an airport bus?
Jam berapa berangkatnya?
What time does it leave? What time does it leave?
Apakah bis itu singgah di hotel?
Does it come by the hotel? Does it come by the hotel?
Tiap 10 menit ada bis yang berangkat.
There are buses leaving every 10 minutes. There are buses leaving every 10 minutes.
Jam berapa kita harus ada di bandara?
What time do we have to be at the airport? What time do we have to be at the airport?
1 jam sebelum pesawat berangkat.
1 hour before flying time. 1 hour before flying time.
Jika tidak bergegas, kita akan ketinggalan pesawat.
If we don't hurry up, we will miss the plane. If we don't hurry up, we will miss the plane.
Di mana saya harus melapor?
Where do I check in? Where do I check in?
Bolehkah saya lihat tiket Anda?
May I have your ticket, please? May I have your ticket, please?
Bolehkah saya lihat sertifikat kesehatan Anda?
Can I see your health certificate? Can I see your health certificate?
Berapakah barang bawaan yang bebas?
What is the free luggage allowance? What is the free luggage allowance?
Berapa buah tas yang Tuan bawa?
How many bags do you have? How many bags do you have?
Berapa berat tas ini?
How much does this bag weigh? How much does this bag weigh?
Anda kelebihan berat 10 kilo.
You are 10 kilos overweight. You are 10 kilos overweight.
Berapa bea bandara?
How much is the airport tax? How much is the airport tax?
Jam berapa penerbangan ini akan diumumkan?
What time will the flight be called? What time will the flight be called?
Penerbangan Anda sedang diumumkan sekarang.
Your flight is being called now. Your flight is being called now.
Apakah pesawat berangkat tepat waktu?
Is the flight leaving on time? Is the flight leaving on time?
Apakah pesawat berangkat tepat waktu?
Is the plane taking off on time? Is the plane taking off on time?
Pesawat Anda ditunda keberangkatannya.
Your flight is delayed. Your flight is delayed.
Pesawat itu tidak boleh terbang.
The plane is grounded. The plane is grounded.
Pesawat jenis apa ini?
What sort of plane is this? What sort of plane is this?
Ini pesawat jet.
It is a jet. It is a jet.
Anda harus membayar kelebihan berat barang.
You will have to pay overweight. You will have to pay overweight.
Ini pesawat bermesin tunggal.
It is a single-engined plane. It is a single-engined plane.
Ini pesawat bermesin dua.
It is a twin-engined plane. It is a twin-engined plane.
Ini pesawat terbang air.
It is a seaplane. It is a seaplane.
Dapatkah saya duduk di baris depan?
Can I have a front row seat? Can I have a front row seat?
Dapatkah saya duduk di barisan belakang pesawat?
Can I sit in the rear of the plane? Can I sit in the rear of the plane?
Dapatkah saya duduk dekat jendela?
Can I have a window seat? Can I have a window seat?
Di mana ruang tunggu keberangkatan?
Where is the departure lounge? Where is the departure lounge?
Apakah disediakan makan siang di pesawat?
Are you serving lunch on board? Are you serving lunch on board?
Maaf, apakah tempat duduk ini kosong?
Excuse me, is this seat vacant? Excuse me, is this seat vacant?
Kencangkan tali kursi Anda.
Fasten your seatbelts. Fasten your seatbelts.
Jangan merokok.
Refrain from smoking. Refrain from smoking.
Tegakkan tempat duduk Anda.
Adjust your seat to the upright position. Adjust your seat to the upright position.
Tuan-tuan dan nyonya-nyonya, inilah kapten Anda.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
Saya minta perhatian Anda.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
Kita akan terbang di ketinggian 30.000 kaki.
We will be flying at an altitude 30,000 feet. We will be flying at an altitude 30,000 feet.
Dalam beberapa menit, kita akan terbang di atas samudra.
In a few minutes, we will be flying over the ocean. In a few minutes, we will be flying over the ocean.
Kita mulai menurun.
We are starting our descent. We are starting our descent.
Kita menduga akan ada badai.
We are expecting some turbulence. We are expecting some turbulence.
Makanan kecil akan disajikan dalam pesawat.
All light refreshments will be served on board. All light refreshments will be served on board.
Awak pesawat siap melayani Anda.
The crew is at your service. The crew is at your service.
Boleh saya minta minuman lagi?
Can I have another drink? Can I have another drink?
Adakah majalah di dalam pesawat?
Have you got any magazines on board? Have you got any magazines on board?
Boleh saya minta surat kabar?
Can I have a newspaper? Can I have a newspaper?
Di manakah kamar kecil?
Where is the lavatory? Where is the lavatory?
Siapa nama pilotnya?
What is the pilot's name? What is the pilot's name?
Dapatkah Anda memanggil pramugari?
Can you call the stewardess? Can you call the stewardess?
Saya merasa mual.
I am feeling sick. I am feeling sick.
Apakah Anda mabuk udara?
Do you suffer from air sickness? Do you suffer from air sickness?
Bolehkah saya melihat ruangan pilot?
Can I have a look inside the cockpit? Can I have a look inside the cockpit?
Jam berapa kita akan mendarat di Bombay?
What time are we due to land in Bombay? What time are we due to land in Bombay?
Apakah pesawat 385 Anda sudah mendarat?
Has your flight 385 landed yet? Has your flight 385 landed yet?
Pesawat itu akan mendarat sekarang.
It is coming in to land now. It is coming in to land now.
Kita mendarat dengan mulus.
We made a very smooth landing. We made a very smooth landing.
Penerbangan itu penuh lonjakan.
It was a very bumpy flight. It was a very bumpy flight.
Di mana ruang tunggu untuk transit?
Where is the transit lounge? Where is the transit lounge?
Para penumpang transit, silahkan kemari.
Transit passengers this way, please. Transit passengers this way, please.
Ikuti pramugari darat itu.
Follow the ground hostess. Follow the ground hostess.
Apakah Anda pernah melihat terjun udara?
Have you ever watched skydiving? Have you ever watched skydiving?
Perusahaan penerbangan manakah yang Anda sukai?
What is your favorite airline? What is your favorite airline?
Apakah Anda ingin masuk Angkatan Udara?
Would you like to join the Air Force? Would you like to join the Air Force?
Selamat terbang.
Have a pleasant flight. Have a pleasant flight.
Selamat mendarat.
Happy landings. Happy landings.
Ada penerbangan setiap hari jam 7.30 pagi.
There are daily flight every day at 7:30 a.m. There are daily flight every day at 7:30 a.m.
Berapa lama penerbangan ke Singapura?
How long is the flight to Singapore? How long is the flight to Singapore?
Berapa ketinggian penerbangan kita?
What altitude are we flying at? What altitude are we flying at?
Akan ada cuaca badai sepanjang perjalanan kita.
There will be turbulence most of the way. There will be turbulence most of the way.
Berapa lama kita berhenti di sini?
How long are we stopping here for? How long are we stopping here for?
Jangan lupa like, subscribe, share, komen, dan bagikan video ini sebanyak-banyaknya. Semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih.